Teachers need instructional materials to enhance teaching and learning. Instructional materials are the supplementary materials which help the teacher to make his or her presentation concrete, effective, interesting, meaningful, and inspiring. In any teaching and learning process, instructional materials play a vital role as they provide sensory experiences to the learners. All audiovisual materials have positive contributions to language learning as long as they are used at the right time in the right place. In the teaching and learning process, learners use their eyes as well as their ears, but their eyes are basic in learning. So here's the 7 instructional materials that can help teachers and learners obtain knowledge in a creative, innovative, and fun way. The rope and pole display board, wall display, zigzag board, flip chart, writing board, nature table, and diorama.
Hi, my name is Kate Obidencio, and tonight I am going to show you my diorama. By the way, dioramas are small scenes created of layers of materials, depicting a similar concept or theme. Dioramas usually display a historical time period, a nature scene, or fictional situation. My diorama depicts a historical time period, and it's about the fundamental positions of folk dance. So this is my diorama. Here outside you can see a black background with the title Fundamental Positions of Folk Dance. Now I did put the folk dance word because inside you will see that this diorama represents the folk dances or the fundamental positions of folk dances. Now to open this box, we'll have to, that's it, move it like that. And there, you will see the first fundamental position of folk dance, wherein you raise, or my little baby here positions her arms in front of her chest with his feet on a 90 degrees angle. And then on the second position, my little baby here spread her arms and her legs as well. That's the second position. And the third position, my little baby here raises her left arm up above her head, and then his feet, his right foot moving to the instep of her left foot. And for the fourth position, she moves her right foot from the instep forward along with her right arm. And on the fifth position, my little baby here is raising her hands up above her head like that, but she kind of have short arms. So anyway, so her feet or her right foot will then go backward to the toe of her left foot. So that's the 5 fundamental positions of folk dance. Now that's my diorama. Now, you may think that I have spent a lot of money for this diorama, but nay, I didn't, because these cartulinas, black cartulinas, this yellow circle with numbers, the title Fundamental Positions, the popsicle sticks, their costumes, the colored papers, Filipiniana costumes, what else? The box are free and are recycled from my previous teaching demonstrations and projects. So, I only spent a total of 78 pesos only. Yes. Now, this next clip shows how I made this.
Yeah, party, party. Woohoo! Go girl, party, party. Party, party. Oops. Nawawala siya. Ay!
That's all for tonight's video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.